Hello everyone, and thanks for watching our weather update on July 1st, 2023. So, before we start off with our video, just to say that the reason we didn't have a video yesterday was that we we had an issue where the video overran. For some reason, I cannot upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. And it was actually 16 minutes long, and in the end, it fails to upload and process, and it just got chucked off. And by the time it was all done and dusted, it was too late to recreate the update. So unfortunately, yesterday it had to just go with no update. So sorry about that. But today we're back, and this update will definitely be less than 15 minutes long. So starting off quickly with this satellite image from wind.com, I can see that there is some higher cloud from a weak front across the south. There brought some rain towards the southwest, I would say, while further north, a few showers are dying off. Radar was like this again. Again, these showers can be seen over the north, and we had a few thunderstorms also in the east, a few flashes of lightning, etc. And that one there was thundery earlier. If we play it here, you can see how it got very intense and did spit lightning out over that area here. There's deep red colours there. This is the met.ie radar. You can see again these showers here, these strokes of lightning indicated by the crosses, and off the south coast and over the southwest, some more persistent light rain. This is the past radar from today. So this morning we had some heavy rain over the east that cleared off, and showers follows. There was mainly north of the line from Limerick to Wexford. Further south of that, it was cloudy with quite a bit of damp weather. So you can see some big showers get going across the Midlands and push eastwards into the late morning, and sometimes heavy and thundery, especially from the east of the country over here. So counties Dublin, Meath, and Louth, for example, also over eastern parts of County Down, and they move off. More showers develop again over the Midlands, and they push eastwards. Well, and all along a bit of showery rain in the southwest, while between the showers and the showery rain, we have a dry slot around this sort of area here. So Cork, Limerick, Waterford, Tipperary, South Kilkenny, and the very south of Wexford is dry but quite cloudy at times. The north of that region is quite bright. Was quite bright today. That goes on into the evening, and that is where we are now. This is the UKV 5-day forecast for precip clouds. So today we can see the showers today across many areas. Some more showery rain across the southwest. Quite cloudy too. Tonight that clears off, and a few showers do linger near the north coast, and that turns into a more general area of showers towards morning. While further south it's quite clear and quite chilly. Into Tuesday morning, the showers push inland, and as the sun gets going, as thermals get going, some big convection takes place. So showers do blow up quite widely. Possible storms there. Very, very intense colours there. Over the Midlands, East, etc. So very intense showers tomorrow. Could well be thunderstorms with that. Look at all those bright reds in there. Very intense rainfall and hail possible, thunder, lightning. So do leave time for journeys. Sorry, guys. So do leave time for journeys if you are, traveling to and from places tomorrow. Anyway, off into Wednesday morning. A few showers do just drift into the Midlands towards morning, but elsewhere you're clear and dry, especially towards the east. Wednesday is a day of sunshine and showers. Showers not as heavy as it was on Tuesday. So less of a risk of sort of like lightning, etc. And moving off into Wednesday evening, things sort of cloud from the west, and we push rainfall in. Some very heavy rain there, especially for the west, and that continues into Friday night. Actually, no, sorry, Thursday night. Friday is quite dry, bar a few showers breaking out, and Saturday sees a band of heavy rain and possibly thunderstorms there, moving up from the southwest, and that clears off to leave a bright but breezy and warm day with sunshine and possibly a few showers or thunderstorms, and it'll be very humid with that as well. We can see that today high teens across the southeast, lower elsewhere. They lower tonight, and we go to tomorrow morning, and temperatures dip towards the single figures, and up into tomorrow, we reach the high teens across the southeast again, lower elsewhere, and of course, if you get caught in the showers, temperatures will plummet due to evaporative cooling, where the heavy precipitation sort of drags down the colder air from aloft. Going off into Tuesday nights, we can see that it goes quite cold there across the east and north, milder towards the southwest. Wednesday is a bit more warmer quite widely, so anywhere east of like the line that goes from Cork to Dundalk sees the high teens, elsewhere mid-teens, and over the west coast low teens. Up into Thursday morning, a bit milder everywhere, pretty much holding above 10 degrees, bar a few sheltered areas in the north. Into Thursday itself, we see temperatures getting towards the high teens in the east, low teens for the west, and off into Friday itself. Friday morning starts very warm, especially east of the line again, from Limerick towards Dundalk towards Limerick towards Cork, 15 or 16 degrees. Further west of that line, around 14 to 15 degrees. And off into Friday itself, really quite warm and humid, rising to around the low 20s, especially in the north towards the south, where you have the onshore wind and a bit of drizzle. Temperatures capped towards the high teens, and over England we're above 20 degrees. And off into Saturday, temperatures rise towards the low 20s across the northeast, 20 degrees quite widely, but in the west, high teens. Quite hot for England, and I thought to show you Friday night, but again, very warm and humid. This is the GFS charts. As you can see, that low pressure towards the northeast pulls in the wind from the north today and tomorrow, and that'll bring a cooler feel and a few showers, some heavy and thundery, don't forget. And Wednesday has yet more showers, but winds back westerly. Thursday sees a ridge of high pressure extending towards France and Germany and Poland, and that helps to just nudge the wind up from more of a southwesterly direction. So turning quite warm there for Thursday into Friday, but with a front moving in from the west, and the area of low pressure combined with high pressure over Denmark and Germany and Poland pushes up a southerly winds into Friday and Saturday, with that area of low pressure to the west, there will be fronts in the mix, and they could be heavy, like there can be some torrential rain along them with thunder. So that could be a hazard into the weekends, and that low stays there to our west, dragging up the wind from the south, a very warm and humid source. So if there's sunshine, that'll really blow off a good few thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorms are likely in this period. Just with that low staying right there, churning up the wind from the southwest, from Bay of Biscay, from France, from Spain, and with the moisture, with probably very high cape as well. That'll be just perfect for thunderstorms. That is how we look towards July 11th, July 12th. The area of low pressure moves towards the North Sea, and that will draw the wind down more from a northerly direction. So that will cool things down, but it'll still be showery, though the thundery risk relieves. And going off into the third weekend of July, we attempt to get a high pressure over the country. Will it last? Will it last? No, a thundery low moves in from the west, quite flabby, but enough to give showers and thunderstorms. But that'll be warm with the wind up from the southwest. Not too different from the pattern next week. That looks quite warm and thundery. This is the ECM run. I can see that going through today and tomorrow, that low pressure brings northerly winds towards us. Those winds back westerly as the low repositions towards our west, and we drag the winds from more of a westerly backing southerly. Then next week is just next week has low to our west, drawing up the winds from the south, and eventually is right over us, the area of low pressure with showers and thunderstorms. Going off into the UKV, UK Met run, you can see northerly winds backing westerly towards midweek, showers until Wednesday, some heavy and thundery with hazards, especially on Tuesday. And then into Thursday and Friday, we draw the wind up from the Azores with an area of low pressure towards the west. So that will bring a cold front through, which may be very active and produce a lot of rain and possibly thunderstorms. And off into July 10th, that area of low pressure sort of moves into us, centered right over the northwest of the country, and that will bring showers and thunderstorms. This is the GEM, and I can see that we push in a wind from the north, and backing westerly into Wednesday, backing southerly on Thursday. So we're changing winds from the north to the south as we go through the week. So warming up, but getting wet towards the weekend, with that area of low pressure getting into the mix of things. And next week, we go westerly, but warm and quite showery. The icon looks like this. The most iconic run of them all. Sorry about that, guys. Yes, so we can see the winds backing westerly and backing southerly, but all the while, low pressure will be in control. So rain or showers, either way, right up until July 10th, with low pressure right over us, with showers and thunderstorms. And finally, we got the arpège run. So much the same story. Tomorrow we have northerly winds and very big downpours. Wednesday, fewer downpours but westerly winds. And then the winds back up from the Azores into Thursday and Friday, and winds go quite warm and hot from the south. So that's what it is today. I'm doing the video, and bye for now. I'll see you tomorrow.